Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2026 Honda Gorilla 125 is more than just a compact motorcycle, it's a nostalgic nod to the rebellious charm of Honda's mini bike legacy, fused with modern-day engineering, technology, and design. For those who remember the original Gorilla from the 1970s and 80s, this bike isn't just a machine, it's a time capsule wrapped in chrome and attitude. But for the new generation of riders, the 2026 Gorilla 125 is something entirely fresh. It's lightweight, punchy, stylish, and cheekily bold, a bike that can just as easily be a downtown commuter as it can be a weekend companion for spontaneous adventure. Whether you're 18 or 58, the new Gorilla 125 is here to bring back the fun, with more growl and a smaller frame. Let's dive straight into the heart of this machine, the engine. Powering the 2026 Gorilla 125 is a refined, air-cooled 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder four-stroke engine. It's based on Honda's tried-and-tested horizontal layout that has served its Mini Moto family for decades. Tuned for responsive urban performance and off-the-line grunt, it delivers around 9.8 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 10.5 Nm of torque at 6,000 RPM. Sure, that doesn't sound like much on paper, but when paired with the Gorilla's low weight and short gearing, it translates to instant throttle response, quick takeoffs at traffic lights, and a surprising amount of zip around town. The fuel injection system is precise, offering smooth and predictable power delivery, while a 5-speed manual gearbox gives you full control to squeeze every bit of character from the engine. The lightweight steel frame is compact but impressively rigid, making the bike feel planted even during spirited rides. With a curb weight of just around 107 kilograms, the Gorilla 125 is incredibly flickable. Navigating through tight city streets or taking sharp corners becomes instinctive, almost effortless. The front end features USD forks with 31mm tubes, unheard of in this segment, which drastically improve handling and ride comfort. At the rear, twin shock absorbers offer adjustability, allowing riders to fine-tune their ride depending on road conditions or personal preferences. Stopping power is managed through a front 220mm disc with a twin-piston caliper and a 190mm rear disc. ABS comes standard on the front wheel, which adds a layer of safety without compromising the raw, engaging nature of this little brute. It's not just about aggressive looks. Honda has made sure the Gorilla backs up its style with real-world performance enhancements that make it a blast to ride. Speaking of style, the 2026 Honda Gorilla 125 is a visual celebration. Honda designers have perfectly blended retro aesthetics with modern touches. The compact, sculpted fuel tank remains faithful to the original Gorilla silhouette, rounded, chunky, and proudly perched between the wide handlebars and the comfy tuck-and-roll seat. Available in three eye-popping colors, banana yellow, candy apple red, and midnight matte black, the paintwork is layered under a gloss finish that shines brilliantly under the sun. Chrome accents are used tastefully across the bike, especially on the exhaust heat shield, fenders, and headlamp bezel. The round LED headlight carries a classic vibe but features a bright, modern beam pattern. The taillight and turn signals are also full LED, compact, and neatly integrated into the design. The wide handlebar offers great leverage and a commanding view of the road, while the circular LCD digital display provides essential information like speed, gear position, fuel level, and even a tachometer, rare for this category. Another standout feature is the compact yet ergonomically designed seat. Despite its small size, the seat offers decent padding and room for riders up to 6 feet tall. The riding triangle is upright, natural, and neutral, which means you can ride this bike for an hour or two without discomfort, ideal for city rides, coffee shop runs, or short backroad escapades. Passenger pegs come standard, though longer two-up journeys might be ambitious due to the limited seat space. Honda has paid close attention to practicality too. Fuel efficiency is stellar, expect around 70 to 75 km per liter under average riding conditions. That means the 5.8-liter tank offers a real-world range of over 400 km before needing a top-up. That's impressive for a bike this size and power. With Honda's legendary reliability and low maintenance costs, the Gorilla 125 is also light on the wallet, not just at the pump but throughout ownership. One of the most interesting elements of the Gorilla 125 is its versatility. Sure, it's a fun commuter. But Honda has subtly equipped it for light off-road or adventure-style use too. The semi-knobby 12-inch tires provide excellent grip on both tarmac and loose surfaces. The high-mounted exhaust with heat shielding keeps the system tucked away from dirt and debris, while the ground clearance of 180 mm allows it to handle potholes, broken roads, and gravel trails with confidence. This isn't a hardcore dirt bike, but it's more capable than it looks. Electronics-wise, the Guerrilla keeps it simple but smart. It features a keyless ignition system, a switchable eco mode, and Bluetooth smartphone pairing through Honda's mini dashboard app. From there, you can track ride data, monitor maintenance intervals, and even share routes with other Guerrilla riders, fostering a growing community around this compact cult classic. When it comes to pricing, Honda has hit a sweet spot. The 2026 Honda Guerrilla 125 is expected to launch globally at around $3,599, positioning it just above the Grom and slightly below more full-sized commuter bikes. For that price, you're not just buying a bike, you're buying style, utility, and a whole lot of character. In many Asian markets including India, Thailand, and the Philippines, Honda is expected to offer locally manufactured variants to keep pricing competitive, somewhere around 2.85 Indian rupees lakhs, INR, ex-showroom in India. That makes it a tempting alternative to larger scooters or budget commuters, especially for urban riders who crave a bit of flair in their daily rides. Now let's talk about what truly makes the Guerrilla 125 unique. First, it's one of the few bikes that unapologetically focuses on fun. Not speed. Not outright utility. Just fun. It's a bike that brings a smile to your face the moment you sit on it. Whether you're a veteran rider looking for a quirky second bike or a beginner who wants something cool and unintimidating to start on, the Guerrilla is perfect. It doesn't pretend to be a big bike, it celebrates being small. Second, it's designed to be customized. Honda has announced a wide range of official accessories, from off-road kits and LED fog lights to racks, crash guards, and custom seat options. The aftermarket community has already shown interest, and just like the Grom, the Guerrilla is expected to become a canvas for individual expression. Street tracker builds, scrambler kits, cafe mods, the possibilities are endless. Third, it's a conversation starter. Park it anywhere and people will stop, smile, and ask questions. There's a rare kind of charisma that oozes from its design, and it makes every ride, no matter how short, feel like a celebration. In an era where motorcycles are becoming more complex, more serious, and more expensive, the Honda Guerrilla 125 stays true to the roots of what makes biking so universally loved: joy. Another often overlooked strength is how accessible it is for new riders. Low seat height, lightweight, forgiving clutch, predictable throttle, it's all here. And it's backed by Honda's reputation for build quality. Every switch feels tactile. The paint finish is rich. The welds on the frame are clean and well done. The Guerrilla may be small, but it's not cheap in any sense of the word. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because we've got more bikes coming your way every week. This is Bike Culture Hub, where the machines tell stories, and the Honda Guerrilla 125 just told one hell of a good one.